Welcome back. Here we go, 6 weeks later, and this is what I'm working with. See, I think it still looks okay, especially if I were to put a little bit of time and energy into the front here, because over the last 6 weeks I have not. And no, that's a lie. There have been some times that I've gone back and just retwisted or rebraided, depending on what specific strand I have. Like you see here, I have braids. These two are braids and these two are twists. And I did that again for volume. But also, you see over time, it's kind of turned into some wavy kind of look. It almost looks like, I mean, you'll do a double take, like, oh wait, does she have braids? Is that her hair? Okay. So I like that. I like that the wear and tear has caused it to look just more natural. So here I am, and I'm removing these braids and these twists, and just as it took me 1 week to complete this hairstyle, it's gonna take me 1 week to remove the hairstyle, especially because I'm a full-time mom, which I love, but that's work. So there's very little time, but I'm excited to see what kind of growth we're working with, and I know that my hair has grown, although now you can see it's just a whole lot of shrinkage, but that's because of the wear and tear of life, obviously. So I'll share with you the final result after I remove all of these twists and braids, and then I'm gonna do it again. Hi again, I'm back. It's been 4 days since I made my last video where I was starting to remove the braids and the twists, and here I am with my jumble twists because I have just so much hair and so much time in between taking out those twists and braids that I need to at least maintain some kind of organization. So like, that's what I'm working with here. I've got 4 jumble twists on this side, and I've got 4 jumble twists on this side. And all I am doing is removing the style, but it is such a process. This morning I'm going to take out these little micro twists, and then this afternoon I'm left with this. And as you see at the roots, there are definitely braids because I braided before I twist. I braided before I twist my hair just so that I could keep it maintenance, so that I could make this style last a little bit longer. So that's what you're seeing here, and I'm so excited to be finished with my hair so that I can wash it and condition it and everything, and I'll be done and do it all over again. But at least I get to see what the growth looks like. And I mean, sure, there's a little bit of shrinkage happening right now, but there is some major growth. I can tell. I can totally tell. I'm excited. I'm excited for that. But I'm not going to show off too much right now. Almost at the butt.